Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ayesha Nawazish and you are watching Excel Study Center. So our next essay is my favorite book. Let's start. Books play a significant role in molding one's character. They broaden one's view and open new ways. I have read a lot of books in my life. The books of great writers like Shakespeare, Thomas Hardy, Wordsworth, Naseem Hijazi influenced my life much. But the book which brought revelation in my life and my ideas is the Holy Quran. It is the most sacred book. For more than 14 centuries, it has guided humanity, and till the end of the world, it will remain the last message of God. Whenever you read a good book, somewhere in the world a door opens to allow in more light. I like this book because I get satisfaction after reciting it. I recite it with its Urdu translation every morning. There is a lot of information in it. Every Muslim has a firm belief in it. It tells us about this life and the life hereafter. This great book was revealed to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the last prophet of God. The Holy Quran is written in the purest and the most perfect form of Arabic. Its style is highly impressive and appealing. It is so perfect and lofty that no one can produce a single word similar to it. It has about 77,640 words and is divided into chapters and verses. There are 30 chapters and 114 surahs. The shorter surahs cover mostly the period of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, stay in Makkah, and the longer ones mostly during his stay in Medina. Books open your mind, broaden your vision, and strengthen you as nothing else can. Islam is a complete code of life, and the Holy Quran is its code book. The Holy Quran tells us about the ways of living in this world. It almost covers every sphere of life. It tells us about religion, politics, economics, and tackling of daily matters. In addition to that, it is a great source of scientific knowledge. We cannot deny the fact that the origin of the modern science is in the Holy Quran. The theories which the scientists are offering today have been stated in the Holy Quran 14 centuries ago. A good book is the best of friends, the same day and forever. The Holy Quran is an everlasting book. Allah has declared in the Holy Quran that it is He who is responsible for its safety. That is why no one has succeeded yet to alter even the smallest verse of this holy book. Many Muslims learn this holy book by heart. It is the book which gives us guidance both about both the worlds. It tells us about the rewards and punishments of the life hereafter. We can get physical as well as spiritual guidance from it. In short, the Holy Quran is not only for an individual or nation but also for the whole universe. It is for everyone. It can bring revelation in man's life. The Holy Quran is the best book the world has ever seen. Book is the flowing expression of soul, the identity of man, the secret of knowledge. Okay, so this was our essay, my favorite book. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.